Hi killers, and welcome to my step-by-step tutorial video. For bottom calf slicer, watch his video till the end, so you didn't miss any important details which I'll reveal within the entire tutorial. First of all, let's walk through the leg work and positioning. First of all, we need to get outside leg inside. We can do so in many manners, but you need to control his leg all the time, otherwise he will pass our guard easily. Like so. So keep downward pressure with your legs all the time. You can insert your second leg in a few ways. Here you can see some of my preferred styles. It's up to you. Which one will suit you the most? If the opponent didn't try to lift his trapped leg or apply top pressure, then don't try to pull him down with your legs. Your legs will slip off. Like so. So if your opponent didn't try to free his leg, keep your control at his knee. Like so. Now let's continue with other details. Now we need to get our left hand inside like so. So we can establish double underhook control. Once you get both arms under his, pull your knees up to your chest to lift his leg and shift his weight over your head. Use your arms to push into his armpits and help your leg to push him up even further. It is very important to be able to strengthen your arms fully, like so. To easily insert your arm inside, shift your hips out first, like so. Strengthen your leg to keep your opponent's weight over your head, so you can use your arms to finish the calf slicer. Like so. You can increase pressure by putting your second leg on your ankle. Like so. Now you can go and practice it yourself.